viewers, welcome back to Born IT System. This is your host here, Born, and today we're going to be looking at JavaScript Objects Lesson 2, where we're going to be looking into how we can apply objects to what we learned in Lesson 1. And today we're going to be doing a money lending bank application sample to see how we can use objects if you are building an application. So we'll go here, I'll create a new file, call it lesson 2.js because it's a JavaScript file. And then I will go here to my notes and take a scenario I had created here. Here, and I will have my notes open on the side here. I'll just leave it there, expand this a little bit. So here's the scenario. Let's say you have decided to start your bank and you lend your friends money and you want to have a way to track of how much money each of them owes you. You can use an object as a way of linking a string and a value together. In this case, a string will be your friend's name and the value will be the amount of money he or she owes you. So here, if we take an example, you can create a variable called constant odd money, and we're going to initialize to an empty object. Then the next one, we're gonna add your friends here. So on the first one, you can have odd money dot, I think I had a list of some friends here. I'm gonna take Jim, maybe owes you $10, so I'm gonna put 10. Then I'm gonna have the next one, James and Joe. So I'm gonna have odd money dot James equals to 8 and odd money dot Joe equals to, maybe I'll put that one at 15. So if we console this to the output, let's see odd money and run that, you can see we have Jim, James and Joe, and have this one to lowercase and Joe. And maybe I only have Born. Born equals to 5. Then I will print that Jim, James, Joe and Born, and see this is the money we have. Now let's say James wanna borrow more money, so we're gonna do owned dot James. So we wanna increment, so we're gonna add plus equals to, maybe want to add $20 there. So now I'm gonna console down here, log say odd money, then maybe I can say James Moore. So there, now you have James at 20 more on the top of what that was there. And now that is how to show how we can apply objects and how we can show the money borrowed. And thanks all for that. Please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and speak the word out there. See